Okay, so I'm actually right now inside the shelter. My hood up so nothing goes down my neck. I chopped up a bit of wood. Actually, just gonna have it right here in the corner. Get all that dead moss out of our way. Got one log. I cut down just a small tree. Got what I could off of it that was half dry. Okay, let's see. Inside here, got my regular fire log on top of that. And now, most of the snow off that. Some sort of truck. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let's open up my bag. Thing is, this place is very known for ATVs and all that stuff. So, actually, get that out of the snow so the paper on the front doesn't get wet. Like usual, got my grate, a few extra pair of gloves, and then my bag has my lighter and all that stuff. That's there now. And oh, you guys get mosquitoes. Snow always ruins the shots. Let's get this corner lit. And this corner. Okay, now small twigs. Gloves are definitely not helping me. A minute to actually light this time. Never had this trouble. But maybe a problem of did have that thing inside my wet jacket. knife. Let's get some inner pieces of these logs. I'm sorry that my my videos have to be split up in parts. Still trying to figure out where to find that policy thing. It's saying that I'm not allowed to have longer than 15 minutes because I don't have my policy filled out on YouTube. But I'll have that changed pretty soon. See, you just sit here, work on it. Don't panic. You panic, and it's obviously not going to work out correctly. Okay, and now all my other wood, I'm just going to lay close to it so it will all start to dry up a bit. I wish I had an extra t-shirt or something around that I could actually just use to lay it on top of so it didn't have to be sitting in the snow. And there we are. I'll go cut down a few more logs and all that stuff there now. Not going to cut down a whole lot. I'm not going to be here that long. The moisture in all the wood and everything will slow it down from burning so quick. So it won't burn really fast like last time. I had to get a lot more wood than what I expected. It certainly does feel good though to have that small little fire there. What's up, guys? So I'm actually returning home now. As you can probably see in the background, plus my screen's getting completely wet. There goes the rabbit. It's getting pretty harsh outside. I never noticed because I was inside the canopy of the woods, so all the snow and everything wasn't really coming down on me. But yeah, now that I'm noticing, I just want to head home before the roads get too bad. I do have a pickup truck. It is 4-wheel drive, but that would not be fun getting stuck on a dirt road. Okay, so I'll make another video. I'm talking up when I do get back home. Just to say what I went over. I did build onto the shack even more, but I didn't even have a chance to even show you guys it. Hey guys, So it's actually been quite a little bit since I got home from being out in the woods. I just basically want to explain to you guys why I did return home. Let's see if it's better if I stand up here. Yeah. I basically returned home because the storm started to act up a lot more. It got worse than what I expected. It's not that I couldn't handle the storm, it's that I didn't want to worry my family or people that care about me by being out in it. And I just made the better judgment and thought just to come home. I came home, now the snow is up. It's actually just up over my tire a little bit in my driveway. Our roads here in Newfoundland don't really, well, St. John's, don't actually get plowed that well. So when I actually just went up to Sobeys right quick just to get a few snacks, it was still up around the wheel well on some roads. Basically all I did, continuing on with the shelter, is, example with my remote, we've already got the sides coming down, and then we got a little bit on, well, the back coming down and a little bit on the sides. Up on it, I basically, half of it, I put logs coming out straight, and basically that will just stop the wind coming at me from both sides. And then I made a small little rock wall around where you guys are going to see in this video, where I made the fire. I just went out on the trail and started kicking around in the snow. Got one big rock up, and then from there, with that big rock, I went around smacking at the other ones just to get them unfrozen. At that point, I was thinking in my head, it's starting to get a little bit bad. I'm going to probably leave in about an hour, 20 minutes after I got the rock wall done. Even inside the canopy, it was just blowing like crazy. I popped my head out for a second and I seen that I couldn't see any of my foot tracks from when I went to go and get all the rocks and everything in the matter of 20 minutes. There was no foot tracks or anything there. A couple skidoos went by about an hour beforehand. All those tracks and everything were gone. So the thing is, you gotta sometimes just make that better judgment just to go home. I hope you guys do like this video though. I can't say I'm the best at making these, but please do try to stick through. Please do like, subscribe, and comment if you want. As you can tell, I'm putting up a lot more videos. I will keep doing it approximately probably 2 a week if I can. I'll drop it down to about 1 if work gets busy and everything. Thanks for tuning in.